you doing, guys? This is Albert with American Camper Shells. This is the beginning process of, we're going to start with the 2019 Sprinter van. We're going to start with insulation, which the product we have here is SoundSkin. This is a sound deadening material that basically minimizes the sound, the road noise, and any basically thermal works as an insulation as well. installing the SoundSkin. This is a final product of the vehicle. The reason why we install SoundSkin, which it helps with the sound with noise reduction, road noise. Not only that, but it also helps with insulating the inside of the van, which it helps with cooling temperature. As you see the vans here, this is a lifestyle van, and people live here, people sleep in here. You know, it's a great van. And basically, this is just what you're gonna see on a finished product, and this is what we do. American Camper Van works.